Can folic acid reverse gray hair naturally? Have you ever wished for a natural way to restore your hair's youthful color? Folic acid, a vital B vitamin, is gaining attention for its potential role in reversing gray hair. Known for its critical functions in cell growth and DNA synthesis, folic acid might hold the secret to maintaining and even restoring your hair's natural pigment. Gray hair occurs when the hair follicles produce less melanin, the pigment responsible for hair color. Several factors can lead to this reduction in melanin, including genetics, age, stress, and nutritional deficiencies. One such deficiency is folic acid. Folic acid is essential for producing red blood cells and supporting the creation of healthy hair cells. When your body lacks sufficient folic acid, it can result in slower cell regeneration and reduced melanin production, potentially leading to premature graying. By ensuring adequate levels of this nutrient, you might boost melanin production and encourage the growth of healthier, more pigmented hair. Folic acid also supports the production of methionine, an amino acid crucial for hair health. Methionine contains sulfur, which helps in the formation of keratin, the protein that makes up the structure of your hair. By promoting better hair cell function and melanin production, folic acid might help maintain or even restore your hair's natural color. To harness the potential benefits of folic acid for reversing gray hair, it is important to ensure you are getting enough of this nutrient through your diet or supplements. Foods rich in folic acid include leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale, legumes such as beans and lentils, citrus fruits, and fortified cereals. For those who find it challenging to get enough folic acid from diet alone, a supplement can help fill the gap. While more research is needed to conclusively prove that folic acid can reverse gray hair, ensuring sufficient intake of this vital nutrient supports overall hair health and vitality. If you're experiencing premature graying, it might be worth considering folic acid as part of your strategy to maintain your hair's natural color. Are you curious about trying folic acid to combat gray hair? How might you incorporate this nutrient into your routine? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below.